Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. We have the shop manager here. Today we're going to clean up some ancient, dull, dirty, come on, rubber mats that the shop manager is walking all over. It's puppy tax time. Puppy tax, hugs and kisses. She comes to collect every day. So I want to clean them thoroughly and then dress them with the product that we're going to feature today in today's video. I know I'm late on this. I'm late to the party on most of these products. It's hard to find the time. This is the Koch Chemie Guf or Gummifix. This will dress and condition your floor mats after they're clean. Let's get started. These are quite old. They've been used hard, they've been used heavily, and it's time to get cleaned and conditioned and brought back to life. Obviously, we want to clean them first. So I like to use the McKee's Floor Mat Cargo Mat Rejuvenator. Spray it on there, let it dwell a little bit, agitate, rinse, and then we can get on to the Guf by Koch Chemie. Well, the first thing, you can either take compressed air or a pressure washer and blow off all the loose grittiness. So we have some matted in stuff here around the edges. Looks like, oh, I don't know, glue or something. I don't even know if that's going to come out, but we'll do our best. You can also rinse it. I don't want to rinse it. I want the floor mat rejuvenator to not be diluted at all when it hits and contacts the mat. Hopefully it could start to break down and emulsify some of that grime. I like to let it sit for a bit. Then we'll come in with a brush, agitate it, rinse it, see if we have to kind of rinse and repeat. Well, after letting it sit for a bit, it's starting to break that stuff down, so I'll take a tire brush versus a wheel brush, which would be softer bristles, and we'll start to do some scrubbing here. Looks like everything's going to come up really nice except for the glue. So I may have to break out the rapid remover for that. But that's okay. Just an extra step. All right, watch it. You're going to get all wet. Watch it. I want to get you all wet and dirty. Now we can come in with some forced air, speed up the drying process. And then while we wait for this to air dry the rest of the way, we'll get some rapid remover, see if we can remove that glue or whatever that is. That'll give some extra time for this to completely dry. We want it completely dry before we dress it with the Gummifix. The rapid remover has always done well. breaking down some of these tougher adhesives and glues. I'll spray it on there and let it soak for a little bit. Looks like maybe a brush would be a better or maybe even a scrub pad. Let me see if I can find one. Get some more of the rapid remover on there. It's working. Just needs something a little bit more aggressive. Bristles on this are a little bit stiffer. That should work better. All right, let's rinse that off. After the surface is dry, grab an applicator, foam, microfiber, doesn't much matter, and just get the product on there and spread it out. This has a bit of alcohol, so it will evaporate without drying out the material, and it won't dry looking greasy or slippery. In fact, it's not supposed to be slippery at all. Okay, so we have a nice even coat. Let's let that sit and dry and cure. And we can throw them back in the car. And here's your difference. Cleaned and conditioned. And that one still needs attention. Definitely much better at that angle right there. Makes it darker and richer. Could it look that way just from cleaning it? Yeah, possibly. Definitely has a little bit more of a sheen to it, like a satin sheen. Is it slippery? Let's find out. Definitely not slippery at all, which is very good. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Overall, Koch Chemie makes wonderful products. Do I need to order GUF or Gummifix? Probably not. Let me know down in the comment section if you have this and how it performs for you. Does it leave an odor behind days after it's been used? I just like that it's something you can dress the rubber or the plastic without it being slippery. All right, Brian from Apex Detail and Shop Manager, and we'll catch you in the next video.